Wiley Evers was a preaching man. He would pound on the pulpit, King James Bible in his hands. He'd scare the congregation with fire and brimstone and call us to the altar where we'd cry and carry on, confessing and repenting our wicked ways of sin, and praying sweet Jesus would someday let us in to heaven. Heaven, everybody wants to go to heaven. Heaven, walk on streets of gold to heaven. Heaven, got a gate made out of pearl and a great big diamond window where you can look down on the world. Now Jesse Allen Jameson was Wiley's closest friend, but Jesse was a no account. He would not let Jesus in. He was glad to chase the women, stay out and drink all night. And if you mess with Jesse, Lord, you were messing with the fight. And Wiley prayed for Jesse, and Jesse, he just grinned and said, Wiley, I just drop your name, and St. Peter's gonna let me in to heaven. Heaven, everybody wants to go to heaven. Heaven, walk on the streets of gold. Heaven, heaven, got a gate made out of pearl and a great big diamond window where you can look out on the world. Everybody wanna go to heaven. Wiley got the midnight call. It was Jesse's latest wife. He said Jesse had somehow ended up on the wrong end of a knife. Before he died, old Jesse cried out one last request. He wanted Wiley to preach his funeral with his final breath. He cried, heaven, heaven, everybody wants to go to heaven. Heaven, where we walk on the streets of gold. Heaven, heaven, got a gate made out of pearl and a great big diamond window